The Brevera Breast Biopsy System is a medical device designed to capture radiographic images of excised breast tissue, enabling verification of samples collected for diagnosing breast abnormalities. The following workflow allows for the use of Brevera as a standalone specimen radiography system by manually placing excised tissue into the tissue filter for imaging, supporting efficient workflow even when the 9-gauge biopsy needle is not available. Begin by positioning the Brevera console in the procedure room and locking the casters for stability. Connect the foot switch and power cord to the console. Attach the network cable if needed. Power on the console by pressing the power button. Log in to the system using your username and password on the Windows 10 login screen. On the startup screen, select the Patient List button to access the Select Patient screen. Select a patient from the work list or manually add a new patient if necessary. On the procedure screen, select the output devices as required for the procedure. Confirm that the tissue filter drawer is closed and verify the system is free of error messages. Turn the key switch to the unlocked position to prepare for imaging. Start the procedure by putting on gloves. Place a new 12-chamber tissue filter into the new filter base. Retrieve the core from the biopsy device. Transfer the tissue cores into the 12-chamber tissue filter, placing no more than 2 cores in a single chamber, starting with chamber A. Pull open the tissue filter drawer. Put the tissue filter base in the center of the tissue filter drawer. Align the notch on the left-hand side of the tissue filter base with the tab in the drawer. Seat the tissue filter on the 4 locator pins. Close the tissue filter drawer. On the procedure screen, select a thumbnail image for the tissue filter chamber that contains a core. Select the Re-Image button to acquire a new image of the core shown in the active image. Select the Yes button when a message, "A new X-ray will now be fired. Proceed," is prompted. A preview image shows in the large window on the screen. Select Keep Both Images or Keep New Image. Continue to select thumbnails and select Re-Image for each tissue filter chamber you want imaged. Repeat steps 18 to 22 as needed. Open the tissue filter drawer. Place a dry tissue filter cap on the tissue filter. To install, gently lower the tissue filter cap onto the tissue filter until the 2 tabs snap into place. Remove the used filter from the tissue filter assembly and the tissue filter drawer. Place the used tissue filter in a specimen jar on the surface of the formalin. Slowly submerge the tissue filter to allow the formalin to enter the chambers and air to escape. Prepare the specimen jar for pathology per facility policy. This may include indicating the chambers with calcifications on the enclosed sticker and affixing to the jar. Release the tissue filter assembly from the locator pins and discard per facility policy. Perform the recommended cleaning and disinfection procedures. Close the tissue filter drawer. Log out and shut down. Your procedure is now over. For more details, consult the Brevera Breast Biopsy System user guide or contact Hologic support.